In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Blender's compositor to create this image composition in 4 minutes. This is how the image looks like in Blender. There are 3 layers, and they're all imported images. I'll share the download links in the description below. Let's import an image as a plane. I'll rotate the image a bit. If you can't find the Import Image as Plane menu item, please activate the add-on. I'll remove the images, and show you the material details from the finished one. I didn't change any of original image's settings at all, but it seems I have lost a brightness and contrast node value for some reason. I'll reopen the image to see if that will fix the issue. That's the right one. There are 2 dragon image layers. The one behind is for the outer glow. The Import Image as Plane automatically creates a node that activates the transparency like this. I have added a brightness and contrast node for the background image. If you have a Node Wrangler add-on activated, then you can select a node and type M to mute any nodes like this. I'll show you the Glow Images node details as well. Lastly, I have added a couple of composite nodes. The environment light was the forest one. If you don't know how to find this file, please watch a tutorial in the description below. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.